Hi, I'm Sarah Backhouse for Hub Culture. We're at the Governor's Global Climate Summit, and I'm now joined by Katy Reynolds from Sukna Global Holdings. Welcome, Katy.
Thank you, Sarah. First of all, I'll tell you a little bit about Sukna Global. First, Sukna actually is an ancient Arabic term that means home in a spiritual sense, is in a place in the heart. And at Sukna Global, we are developing plus energy and plus nutrition, affordable, sustainable communities around the world. And we feel that communities that will achieve what we call the 4 zeros. 0 energy bills, 0 carbon footprint, 0 groundwater footprint, and 0 waste. And we are providing these benefits. Not only are we able to provide them at local conventional building costs, but we feel that we have a process for superior quality building that will actually surpass US and German standards, which are the most stringent in the world. The vision for Sukna Global was really put forward by my partner, Khaled Majoub, who is the primary founder of Sukna, and he is actually in Damascus, Syria. And he's an American citizen, but having lived through a lot of the challenges of the developing world, he has spent the last 30 years in the building materials industry and kind of patenting certain products and processes, and has actually moved a lot of his research and development into the green and clean tech area. But he really set out to solve for a lot of the major challenges facing not only developing countries, but also developed as well. Clean, affordable energy, safe water, good, healthy nutrition, affordable housing, household budgets, education, healthcare, unemployment, which is, as we can see around the world, a diminishing middle class, global warming, and also that up until now, there hasn't really been a coherent strategic solution to deal with all these. And he really wanted to build a company and leave a legacy that really helped change the world in this way and really improve the quality of life for as many people as possible.
Well, it sounds fascinating. I'd love to hear more about, paint me a picture of what one of these homes would look like, where they are and how it's built and how you achieve, say, 0 waste.
Okay. The first proof of concept was actually built a couple years ago in Damascus, Syria, incorporating as the most comprehensive solution for incorporating sustainable technologies. And we're now involved in developments in Abu Dhabi and actually here in Sacramento. And these homes will, first of all, be entirely powered by a renewable energy source.
Is it solar or?
Right now we're focused on solar, but we intend to employ geothermal and wind. Right now, because of the areas that we're in, solar makes the most sense.
Sure.
And they will recycle 100% of their water. We will also do stormwater collection, and we also have a process for collecting the moisture out of the air and filtering it and purifying it for drinking water. And as I said, 100% of the gray water and black water coming out of the home will be recycled and used for landscape irrigation, and also in our communities and our homes, we're having a vertical farming element as well, so that people will have a controlled environment for nutrition. We also, as I was talking about before, we feel that we have developed a process for superior construction, that we've really minimized human error in the process and reduced a lot of the labor component, and it's a very strong, durable building materials that are very energy efficient and also are mold and mildew resistant, as well as dirt and dust. And the idea was to build and construct a home that was not only energy efficient, but that would also stand up to hurricanes, earthquakes, storms, flooding, and be fire retardant, so that they were truly sustainable. Also we wanted to capture as much daylight, natural daylight as possible. So we've thought a lot about the building design and the building orientation. We're doing solar collection to stream daylight into the homes. We'll complement or supplement that with LED lighting technology and maybe OLEDs when they are more proven. We'll use all energy efficient plumbing or water efficient plumbing, low flow fixtures, automated fixtures. We have also developed intellectual property for a VRF heating and cooling system. So there's a lot of
There's
different.
a lot going on.
Yeah.
And these are mainly for lower socioeconomic families?
Our solution is flexible, so we don't want to prefabricate. We are able to work with whatever local market demands are. Our idea was to really go into lower income areas so that we could build really quality housing that costs very little to maintain. They'd have zero energy bills, limited water bills, limited food bills, so people could really move in and not have a lot of worry and expense in maintaining their homes.
Right.
However, with our developments in Abu Dhabi and here in Sacramento, we're actually doing developments that are higher end. So we can scale up or scale down for whatever the market demand is.
Wonderful. Well, Katy, thank you so much for coming on and explaining these homes, and wish you the best of luck.
Okay.
Katy Reynolds, thank you.
Thank you very much.